Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. When it comes to getting user attention on something important before a change is commit, normal way to ensure users are alerted to potential errors or mistakes before they commit changes, or with a pop-up window message to be prompt after click submit button to prevent unintended actions, to get user attention if any error or mistake observed. Now is the best time to revert or cancel the submission. I put up this simple web app SQL editor to demonstrate how AJAX confirm and AJAX prompt works. In this video, I'm going to share some insight about underline machanism works to provide more information for how we can take advantage and intergrade into our web application. This SQL web editor basically provides three functions: add new SQL record, edit and update existing record, and delete existing record. Let's walk through each of the function. Starts with adding a new SQL entry record. Users table required to provide name, extension number, and email address. After input necessary information, click Update button to submit form data to server. New entry successfully added into user's table. Secondly, let's try edit and update existing SQL record. Each of the user information query based on ID number. In order to check underlying process, browser developer tool need to be enabled. Click edit button to be redirect to edit page. Make change to extension number, and click Update button to submit form data to server. User required to input intended keyword in order to confirm changes. Let's walk through correlated htmx attribute to trigger confirmation prompt. AJAX post uses to issue a HTTP post action to the specified URL with record index number to inform server which SQL record to update. An AJAX prompt handler pause the data submission and pop up a message window. A AJAX prompt HTTP header will be included together with user input information. If user input keyword matched, changes will be committed, and swap the returned HTML content into the inner HTML body specified under AJAX target. HTML code snippet come from edit.html under templates folder. Third and final feature is the delete action. Whenever delete action button is clicked, a confirmation pop-up message window will be prompt with respective username to let user aware of the correct record they try to remove. Bring up browser developer tool to check underlying HTTP transaction. By clicking the OK button mean user acknowledge this is the correct entry would like to delete. AJAX confirm responsible to fire up the pop-up message window with respective username. AJAX post sent delete URL with respective SQL ID. Once change is committed, AJAX target to swap the returned HTML content into the inner HTML body. Now it's time to demonstrate the steps how to add htmx attributes. I'm going to speed forward for recap purposes to show no htmx features. No AJAX post action, and no htmx HTTP headers. Let's delete the entry to include htmx attributes. This is the add.html page. Store under templates folder. The code section we need to focus on is the HTML form attribute. Now we need to refactoring the HTML attributes with htmx attributes. Firstly, need to remove HTML form attributes method and action. Replace it with AJAX post to get it sent HTTP post action and action URL. Next we need to include AJAX confirm attribute to set up pop-up message window and messages you would like to display. Don't forget to include AJAX target to let htmx know which HTML DOM element to swap HTTP content. In this example, the HTML body content will be swapped by HTTP respond content. Lastly, if you would like to check out debug information, AJAX extension allow to enable more verbose information with debug value. That's all the necessary changes need to do in order to include htmx attributes. Now let's take a final check to see what is the difference after the refactoring. Enable Browser Developer Tool and repeat Add New Entry steps. Confirmation pop-up message window prompted accordingly. HTMX feature executed correctly. More information, please refer to our GitHub repository state under video description below. Hope this video been informative and helpful for you. Please consider like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Finally, thanks you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.